Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota CHR. This Toyota CHR is finished in silver and is powered by a 1.2 petrol engine with a manual transmission. Into the boot and you'll find a rubber mat and plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this space can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with half-leather seats, headrests, as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as half-leather seats for comfort. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to cruise control, speed limiter, lane assist, voice command, hands-free and volume control. The partially digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multifunction steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth as well as radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in those tight spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, USB connection, a cup holder, the gear selector, electronic handbrake and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.